Urobado. Nune na wa gwone uha mi na gwa rin sasate. Me go not talk pare. Era won evo. That is omrevuge rema move ebevo sansan raria. Today I want to talk about knowing some fruits and vegetables that we eat in Urobo. Utien orange, Iyao garden egg, Odibo banana, Edi palm fruit, Isagwe groundnut, Ume pumpkin, Eberume pumpkin leaves, Ishao okra, Ifo water leaf, Oka corn, Irosu rice, Ire or Esha beans, Ipepeduke potatoes, Idun cocoyam, Eto oyibo pawpaw, Eto ame watermelon, Eto marrow, Origbo bitter leaf, Ode yere ore, Ode yere ore plantain, One yere ole yam, Utita onion, Imidaka cassava, Iribo pepper, Iribobe tomatoes, Iribo ekpo fresh pepper, Imako pepper fruits, Utiagadava cherry, Era scent leaf, Imagoro mango, Utiafere lime orange, Ewe kola nut, Ukokodia coconut, Owe bush mango, Aka bitter kola, Inanaja pineapple, Okre walnuts, Inyenye long spices, Ibiroba rubber seeds, Erie alligator pepper, Itu mushrooms, Ukwere sugarcane, Ibloyibo carrots, Ikpogri melon, Aka bitter kola, Egboro or Okoko keg, Iguava guava, Ikoko cocoa. That is where I'm going to end today's lecture. Like in our last class, we talked about alphabets. We ended at letter I. But in our next class, we will talk about letter J and K. Thank you very much, as you have a very lovely and a wonderful day. Thanks for following. I love you all. Bye.